Thank you, Anne, for providing the reference photo of contract working dog Rocky, Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. CWD Rocky, Patrol Explosive Detection Dog, is a 7-year-old male Dutch Shepherd that served in Iraq and Afghanistan. He was retired early due to heat stroke or heat exhaustion. He just couldn't tolerate the high temperatures needed to work overseas. He enjoys water play and playing fetch on cooler days. Anne had this to say about Mission Canine Rescue. I adopted CWD Brando and MWD Layla from them. They are a wonderful organization that does amazing things for our retired working dogs. Thank you, Anne, for adopting these amazing animals, and thank you, Rocky, Brando, and Layla, for your service.